Hello guys, I am Shubhashri and welcome back to my channel Jiva. Today I will be sharing with you the recipe of Litti Chokha. Litti is basically a wheat ball stuffed with gram flour. This is either baked or roasted. And chokha is roasted mashed vegetables served as sides. This is typically a Bihari cuisine considered to be a complete meal. Litti Chokha with the chutney is the best combo I ever had. Serving chutney with this is optional, but if you can do it, then you have the best in your plate. Making the chutney is no big deal if you can make the Litti Chokha. And this will take just few of your minutes. So without wasting much of your time now, let's first get started with the chokha. The choice of vegetables for the chokha would be brinjal, tomatoes and potatoes. Here I have with me is a barbecue grill rack. Grease the brinjal and tomatoes with oil and set them to roast. You can here use any kind of grill rack you have. You can use the same grill rack to make the littis. Roast the vegetables in a medium flame. Also make sure that you roast the brinjal and tomatoes on all the sides. This is going to take some more time till it gets roasted completely. So we can now start making the litti. Take 2 cups of wheat flour or the atta and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. आप चाहे तो इसमें घी का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. You can also use clarified butter if you want to. Add some salt to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of ajwain or the carom seeds. Mix all of the ingredients till you can loosely bind it in your hands. सारे ingredients को आप आटे के साथ अच्छे से मिला लीजिए. If you want, you can add around half tablespoon of baking soda to it, but बिना baking soda का भी लिट्टी अच्छा बनता है. और फिर पोर्शंस में पानी ऐड करते हुए इसको अच्छा सा एक डो बना लीजिए. Adding water in portions will help you to add the right quantity of water needed for the dough. Make sure that you don't make a very hard or a very soft dough. The quantity of the wheat flour shown here will make 7 littis of medium size. This is now almost done. You can see the kind of dough needed for the litti. Now grease the dough with oil and keep it aside. आटे के साथ साथ चोखा के लिए उधर बैंगन और टमाटर भी ऑलमोस्ट बन गया है. By now, the brinjal and the tomatoes are nicely roasted. Before you peel off the skin, let it cool completely. By the time the vegetables cool down, we can now make the chutney. The chutney here is going to be very simple and is going to take just few minutes. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Make sure you use mustard oil here. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 3 to 4 garlic cloves and half an inch of ginger. Also add 2 green chilies to it. टमाटर थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट होने तक इसको पका लीजिए. When the tomatoes are half cooked, add handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves. आप इस चटनी में हरी मिर्च की जगह लाल मिर्च भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Finally, add some salt to your taste. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium high flame. जब टमाटर पूरी तरीके से सॉफ्ट हो जाए, गैस का फ्लेम ऑफ करके इसको ठंडा होने दीजिए. Till the chutney cools down, we will now make the stuffing. Stuffing के लिए आपको चाहिए सत्तू. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of gram flour. To it, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. 2 green chilies finely chopped. And here is the most important ingredient, the pickle. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of chili pickle. You can here use any kind of chili pickle available. Adding pickle brings a great taste to the stuffing. Now add 1 lime and some salt to your taste. At this stage, give a little mix to all of the ingredients and find out what you need to add more. I will add 1 more tablespoon of chili pickle, but this time with some chilies on it. You can also add the spices of the pickle, but if you add the chilies, then make sure you crush it well. This is almost done. To finish with, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half onion finely chopped. Finally, give a nice mix and here your stuffing is ready. Now, when the dough and the stuffing are ready, we will now start making the wheat balls or the litti. Divide the dough into portions. Make 1 or 2 smaller portions of the dough. You can choose to make the size of the littis you want. Here I have already made one to show you how exactly it looks like. Take a portion of the dough and roll it smooth between your hands. Flatten the dough in your palm using your fingers so that you can put in the stuffing. You can also use a rolling pin if you want to. Now add the stuffing into the dough. The quantity of the stuffing will depend on the size of the dough you make. Here I have 2 tablespoons of gram flour stuffing. Now seal the dough and remove the excess amount of the dough at the tip. Add the excess amount of the dough from the tip to the smaller portions you made. Finally, roll it between your hands and make it round. Here your litti is ready. लिट्टी एक्चुअली में बनाना बहुत आसान है एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि सेम स्टफिंग के साथ आप सत्तू का पराठा भी बना सकते हैं. फॉलोइंग द सेम मेक ऑल द व्हीट बॉल्स. यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा सत्तू बच गया जिससे मैं बाद में पराठा बनाऊंगी. Maybe in the coming days I will be sharing the recipe of sattu paratha. For that, get subscribed to my channel and stay tuned. Here the wheat balls are now set to roast. This is going to take some time, but keep an eye on this. After every few minutes, flip it to other sides. When the littis or the wheat balls are half cooked, grease it with clarified butter or the ghee. Make sure you roast the littis on low flame. When you start getting this texture, you will know that the littis are almost cooked. This took me around 15 to 20 minutes on very low flame. By this time, the roasted vegetables has completely cooled down. You can now easily peel off the skin. Do not wash this with water. Once you are ready with the brinjal and the tomatoes, you can now add 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes into it. Now, to complete the chokha, add 2 finely chopped green chilies, salt to your taste, and start mashing them. If you want, you can also add a tablespoon of mustard oil into it, but that is again optional. Finally, add handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves. Mash all the ingredients well, and here your chokha is ready to serve. Now, the last thing to do is to grind the chutney. By this time, the tomatoes and the coriander that we fried a while ago has completely cooled down. Put it in a blender and grind it to fine paste. And here your chutney is also ready to serve. All these preparations might take you a little longer, but once you make this at home, you are going to like this. Do not forget to serve the litti chokha with the clarified butter or the ghee. This was all about the recipe. Hope you liked it. Make this at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like and subscribe. You can also hit the bell button to receive the notifications of my latest videos. Thanks for all your time and thanks for watching. We'll catch you all on my next video. Till then, take care.